Honor has promised Emui 10 rollout to its several smartphones and recently updated Honor 10 Lite with a stable release, moving WTH this subject. The company has also confirmed some new news for its another Emui 10 eligible smartphone, Honor 8X. Honor 8X Emui 10 beta program kicked off in November last year in China and expanded to other markets including India. For the next story, Honor has now confirmed that the stable Emui 10 for Honor 8X could land by this month. Honor has closed the beta program of Emui 10 for Honor 8X and we are at the final stages of releasing the software. The stable version of Android 10 release can be expected by the third week of January 2020. Honor, even after delays, Huawei may start the rollout by the end of this month, and it's recommend for users to keep an eye on the update via instructions given here.